Guys, I wanted to give you an up close look of these storage bins that I purchased. I don't know about you guys, but like organizing my home is always something that I'm trying to achieve and get better at. And I find personally that these clear bins make that a lot easier. I like that they're clear. I can see what I'm putting in them. And, you know, just having the same size ones to like organize my pantry, my fridge, my kids' toys, the bathroom, all of that just makes it a lot easier. I even just keep one empty in different rooms and like dump stuff in there that I have to then go back and organize and put away. So personally, this is for me a solution that works really well. And I like these in particular bins for different reasons. First, just like straight up, like one of the biggest factors is just the quality of it. Like I've purchased here, I show you, like this is just from, you know, the dollar store. And you can see just like, this is going to crack. It's not dishwasher safe. It's flimsy. And, you know, I just don't like the way it looks, also the aesthetics. So just such a difference in the quality, the size, and what you're getting. You can put these in the dishwasher. They are food grade plastic, so I can put food directly in them in my fridge or in the pantry, and they are also BPA free. So all things that I look for. You can also freeze them. So I do try to meal prep sometimes. So I like just to put this in my freezer and then I can like put in what I'm, you know, organizing and have in here what I need. So they can go in the freezer as well. They're not going to crack. They're made of a very thick plastic, which I do really like. Also the depth, they're big, like they fit a good amount in here. You can't stack them, they don't come with lids. So that's not what I use them for. I don't use them to stack them, but I do use them like in my fridge. I just wanted to show you how much you get. Like, you know, here's just a few different pieces of fruit that I have. So you could just get like a concept of how much you can really put in there. And, you know, it's not like one of those ones where you just put in like 2 or 3 different things and then it's done. It's filled. So really recommend this. I also like this cute little detail right there of how you like hold it for your fingers. Just little details like that make a difference. Definitely recommend these. I think it's an excellent value, really good quality, and I will continue to purchase them. If you're looking for clear plastic organizational bins, definitely pick these ones up.